Hello everyone. Previously, we had discussed about the JavaScript performance optimization by making use of the type arrays. Also, we had seen how to how to avoid the memory leak, right? Then today we'll be discussing about the JavaScript internationalization or Intl API. So let's see what does the internationalization or Intl API do. So the Intl API handles local sensitive formatting for numbers, dates, and strings. Again, I'm telling this is very simple concept. The Intl API handles local sensitive formatting for numbers, dates, and string. So let's see the same thing with the example. First example, we will see how to format the numbers. Next, let's see how to format the dates, right? I'll quickly come here. Let me give, let me make use of the variable name formatter. I'll just give here new Intl dot number format. Just give me a second here. Let's set this one to the English US, right? So this one has to be capital. Let me make this one English US. So next one here within the flower braces, let's set the style to currency. I'll just give here currency. Just give me a second here. And also currency, let's set this one to USD, right? So this is fine, I think. Next, let's log something. I'll just give here console log of let's make use of the formatter dot format. Let me give something here, some number. I'll just give here 1 2 3 4 5 6 dot 7 8. So here, if I try running the code, we have to get the dollar and we have to get within the dollars, right? So what happened here? Issues. So we haven't closed this one here with the single inverted comma, right? Again, what I have missed here? Unexpected token. Which one? So yeah, here this one is flower braces. I have to close this one with the flower bracket, right? So let me run this one again. Yeah, now we can clearly see this is properly formatted with dollar and comma. This one, right? So whatever I have given here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 6.78. So we are getting the output properly, correctly formatted. So in simple terms, we are formatting the numbers according to the US local as currency. This one. I hope this is completely clear. We have considered, we now know how to format the numbers. Now, we'll be going with the second example, simple example. Let's see how can we format the date, right? So I'll quickly come here. Let me give here date formatter. Let me set this one to new Intl dot date date time format we have to give it. Yeah, date time format, and let's set this one to the something. I'll just set this one to flags. I'll just give here fr, right? So I hope this one is clear. Next, what I'll do within this one, let's make use of the date style. So I'll just give here date style. Let me set this one to long within the this one strings basically. So next, let's log something. I'll just give here console.log of I have considered date formatter, right? Date formatter dot format. This is similar to the previous one, right? So let's give new date. Let's display the current date. So I hope this is clear. Let me try to run the code. So what I have missed here now, date is not defined. where this one date, format of new date. Oh, this one has to be capital, by the way. So let me run this one again. So yeah, now we are getting this one, 7 December. So here we are getting 7 December 2024. So this one, why we are getting in this format December, basically we have set the country and language to the France, right? So what I'll quickly explain what I've done here. This one, we are formatting the current date in the French locale. So that is the reason we are getting in this format. So this one, December, 7 December 2024, today's date, right? So this is it. We saw basically the concept of internationalization or the Intl API, right? So first we saw with the example how to format the numbers, and second we saw with the example how to format the date, right? So next we will be discussing on understanding JSON and JSON P. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.